I shocked when Emeka repaired that laptop for office.
Me too, but we go find out who he really be.
You are going to use this AI to animate your videos, because recently Flow AI has been animating videos as human videos. That is my 3D pixel video. They have been animating it like a pixel style video, which many people have been complaining about. And you know that I review free AI tools. Do you get free AI tools? You can get, do you understand? You can get free AI tools here. You can use it to access Grok, Seedance 2.0, Kling, so many other platform, Nano Banana. You can even buy credits from here. For $4 you get 800 credits, and imagine what you are going to be doing with 800 credits. Imagine. Now I want to now, animate my next story with this. I am going to show you how we are going to be doing this. So I'm going to show it to you. So now I want to generate a video. But first of all, let's generate image. Let's see the type of image it's going to generate for me. See now, for the image aspect, I want to use GBT 2.0, but it's going to eat my credits. Do you notice now that the free credit has added to 300, so you have 600 already. So if I generate image here, look at it, 128. So generating image is not the best option for this one. So just go ahead and generate video. Now I'm going to be adding my reference video here. This is the video I want to use because I'm continuing my story here. So this is the video. You can see now that you can access Grok Imagine here. So these free platforms, don't sleep on them. Don't sleep on them. Use them. Now we're going to use View 1.5. In fact, let me use Seedance. You can use Seedance here. You can use Kling. You can use View 3.1. You can use Seedance 1.5 Pro. You can use View 3.1. Do you see? You can even explore more models here. Hello 2.3, Seedance 1. You can use them, but I will prefer to use this one. So let me select this model. Do you see 300 credits? So I cannot use it. It's going to eat into my credit too much. So now if I select this, it will be 144. And again, remember that it's still going to take up more credits if I change the aspect ratio. If I change the seconds to 8, and if I change the this thing, if I put in the prompt right now, if I go and put in the prompt now, everything will start increasing. Everything will start increasing if I put in the prompt. You see? Now let's go. Let me take you to where my prompt is. I'm going to take you to my notepad, so you will see this is the storyline. So let me take you to my notepad where I've already written my prompt ready for generation. Now I want you to pay attention to this prompt. Look at everything that I did in this prompt here. Now let's go to where the prompt is. Now look at this. From here to here is what I'm going to copy. Now I want to show you what I'm going to copy. This is something that I'm supposed to be showing my students in paid class, but I will show you. When you want to animate any video, make sure that the people inside the video are in reference here. Then you are going to tell your video animation website, you are going to tell it how it's going to generate this video. Now this is not an office, so I have to change this to a, because see, now I just remember the reference image. This is not an office. Okay, this is not the video. This is not this thing I want to use. This is the one I want to use here. Just hold on for me. You're going to see it now. Now, okay, I haven't done the dialogue because I know that I remember doing the dialogue and saving it for later, but it's obvious that I haven't done the dialogue. So this is where the dialogue is supposed to be for this one. So now I'm going to be changing it. They are not in the office now. They are in a Nigerian apartment bedroom area. Dark. DAR dark. Dark and day and that's night time. You can also say dark night time. So I'm going to be changing this here. Brown eyes, confidence, my phone expression with Sandra, caramel skill, shoulder length, straight black hair, slim figure, natural makeup. Why I did not put both seated, both in, not both seated, both in, because that is how you are going to describe how the image is. Because if you don't describe how the image is, what this does to your animation is that AI is going to mess up force. In fact, they are going to bring in other characters there that does not exist, that exist in your prompt. So if you don't do that, so now we are going to copy this Nigerian apartment. So this one, apartment bedroom area, night time. So now Ada, so I want Ada to, so this is, I'm going to be deleting this dialogue and start a dialogue that I want them to do. So you are going to do it. So you now write Toby told Ada softly, I shocked because I am doing a dialogue. I am doing this story in a Nigerian pidgin English. So I shocked when Emeka repaired that laptop for office. Then I'll put it here. Then Ada will now reply. Ada replied and said, you have to start your dialogue with a quote. Ada replied and said, me too, but we go find out who he really be. So that is the two things I want this thing to say. Then I don't know if this is going to enter 4 seconds because it's 4 seconds that I put there. So all dialogue is spoken in natural Nigerian pidgin English, and only the character speaking moves their lips. You see, character identity change, face swap. This is the negative prompt. Make sure that you are putting negative prompt. You are putting in a what you are telling the AI what it should do and what it should do. This is what it should do. This is what it should not do, and this is what it should do. This is this one is like a style. This is like a style. Everything should be inside. So now we're going to, this one too is a style. Then this is the dialogue. These two things. So now we're going to now copy this all the way down to here. So copy, and then we're going to go back to our Chrome and then paste this image here, paste the prompt here, sorry. So now do you see, now once you have pasted the prompt and you have gotten one, this is 144, obviously 4 seconds, so I'm going to increase to 6 seconds. Let's say 5. What they are going to say, I don't want them to rush. Why I'm doing it, like I don't want them to rush whatever they are saying. That is why I'm doing it 5 seconds. So now I'm going to generate video, and you are going to wait for this to generate for 5 minutes. It's going to generate for 5 minutes, so you have to be very, very patient when using Dropshot AI. Now you can see that they told you that you can install Dropshot AI on your phone. So if you want to use it, just go ahead and install it on your phone. It's very easy. Just install it and then you can use it. You don't need to go elsewhere and do so. If Flow AI is giving you issue, if Grok is giving you issue, I think you can use this one. But let's see how the outcome is going to be. Whatever the outcome is going to be, I'm going to see it in the beginning of this video. I'm going to use it as an introduction to the beginning of this video before you watch this tutorial. So you are going to see that other AI platform can still give you your 3D pixel video without changing it to a hyper realistic human video, because this is what I have been talking about. I want to show you something on my gallery. I've been animating this video for a very long time before that one starts to. Now this is what I've been animating successfully, and you guys have been seeing this.
Person we find deserve compliments.
I animated this with that app too, and it gave me. This is what I've been animating with Flow, and it has been giving me the best results.
Ada, today na my treat. Order anything.
It has
Really?
given me the
You
best
mean
results in
Yes,
3D
nah.
pixel,
Yes, nah. I did for you.
all the way to the end.
Ada.
Do you see? But recently, Flow have been giving me another type of video. Look at what it has been giving me. Let's go to video here. This is what it has been giving me recently. That is the reason I have not been able to make this story since. This is a realistic.
Everybody, make una listen.
This is not
the client don't arrive earlier than expected.
It's not the 3D here is not very strong. It has been giving. In fact, look at this one.
No. Why today now?
Your laptop don't hang?
Yes, and it never happened.
Not 3D. The faces are all human, like it is not in 3D. So that is why when you see that your app is not giving you what you want, you can start exploring other apps, other platforms that can give you exactly what you want. Okay.
I shock when Emeka repaired that laptop for office.
Me too, but we go find out who he really be.
I shock when Emeka repaired that laptop for office.
It's my picture that made this thing look like this. The picture. The picture is why it's making him to look like this. That's the reason why I will use it like that. Let me tell you something. Using free credit is not easy. It is not easy. Now you are going to go to this is my Google. I'm going to go to my Chrome to be able to, because my Google Flow can give me a whole lot of images. I'm going to redo these images again with my Google Flow so that I can have a clearer image. Because if I go and animate with that other one, they are going to, if I animate image with that other one, they are going to charge me for it, and I don't want that. Now I'm going to reuse prompts here. So what I will now do is that, do you see what I will do here now? I will just take this. Okay, this is what I'll first of all do. I'll first reuse prompt for this. What I'll do is I'll animate this again to see if it's going to give me a clearer stuff for the man, because the man is not looking very clear. I will animate this again to see. So just make sure that you animate your images are clear, and you can see now that I was able to get a perfect
Me too, but we go find out who he really be.
So you're going
I shock when Emeka repaired that laptop for office.
Me too, but we go find out who he really be.
I shock when Emeka repaired that laptop for office.
Me too, but we go find out who he really be.
I shock when Emeka repaired that laptop for office.
Me too, but we go find out who he really be.
I shock when
you can animate up to 3 videos here, and then you will not start disturbing yourself on all those other AI apps that are giving you issue. If you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you are learning how to use AI tools, this is the video you should be watching. Be watching them constantly and you will learn. Now I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.